Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll see Zkteco timetable. It's a very essential part for a human resource manager. You see the timetable part here. Timetable is very necessary for start your business or maintain your employee. Let's see. Here is the two part of timetable. It's one regular, one fixed. Okay. Regular and fixed part. Let's see the timetable. Here working time starts at 9 a.m. and till 18 a.m. 18 p.m. This is the 540 minutes working time. Okay. Let's see change on colors for the timetable. Pink and see how it works or not. Then when you start at office at 9 a.m. then you want to start your bounce in bounce. Okay, in time. What is your in time? It's 8 a.m. 9 p.m. If the office starts at 9 a.m. then we first some will fixed at 7 a.m. and here is the last time. Our office closing time at 18 p.m. and last bounce time is 22 p.m. and this is the allow late in. How many time you allow for late? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or no? So we'll be allow this 15 minutes and early out. It's another parameter earlier. If your employee out early for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 20 minutes early, you can declare here. Then late in access. If late comes, what should be to see it absent or other thing. Absent time 10 minutes, 15 minutes. When you put the absent time is 9 minutes, 9 a.m. to 15 minutes, then you should 15 minutes again. And if you it will be 10 minutes. And another parameters, early access, early out access, count as a work hour, okay. Hour or minute. That you can define here everything that what is you want. You define that will show you system. What you define, it will be see your system. Let's say this is the regular case and this is fixed method. What is in the fixed method? Fixed method is a time duration. Duration we know already. It's 8 hours working time, that is 40 minutes. 540 minutes. And if you the start signs, use only check first in, first out. Okay, first in, last out will show 8 day of the system. This is the general system, and it will be put some break when you need this. You need to input some break for your steps. Plus break, we want to add break here. It's a lunch break, tea break, coffee break, etc. Let's see how we can add break. This is a tea break. Just start as a tea break. This is add tea break time. When my office starts at 9, then 9:10 to 10:10, and 10 minutes tea break. This is save. Tea break. Add the tea break system. This is one tea break, but I need more break. Okay. I can add a lunch break. It's lunch. When is your lunch break? It's 1 a.m., 1 p.m. 13 p.m. to 30 minutes. It's a 30-minute lunch break. Okay. Or you can easily use 1 hour, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, as you wish, as your company rules. Okay. Then lunch break. Save it. So another tea break. 33 to 3:10 p.m. Save it. Tea evening. Okay. It's the same name. Cannot be at 2:10. Then here you can add the breaks, but you want to add one by one. It's not possible to add all break in same time. You see here, I want to add ones that is not happening. When you add all breaks here, it's okay. Save it. Okay. Then save this break. This is the name. The system want to know the timetable name. The name you need to fix a name for this timetable. It's a regular working hour. So I put a name in this timetable. That means it's already default, but just put a name, regular working time. Okay, save it. And this is the schedule shift. Sorry, shift. You see here that there is a default shift here, but I will generate a timetable. So I need to change the timetable shift here. Okay. A shift somewhere at 2 shift, 3 shift, 1 shift. Here working as necessary. Here the regular working time. Okay. I want to generate a shift for some days, and next 7 days and next week. Cycle. This is an hour. Okay, 1 hour, 2 hours, 12 hours. but I need to, it's not a cycle, it's a day in time, and I put some parameters of a shift. It will be C, let's say 8 hours or 10 hours or 12 hours. Okay. Maybe I have start some let's say shift name to shift, okay, and here when you start your office 9 to 18. Oh, there is a mistake for me. Sorry, I have not had the start time and end time in this shift in this timetable. Then it's the start from 9 a.m. to 18 a.m. 18 p.m. and save it, and also change the color for your understanding, better understanding. This pink color, okay, save it, okay. Yeah, I have generated a timetable for per company, and you can also generate this. If you have any question about it, this just ask in comments. Thank you for watching this video.